I remember he was fixing our broken TV, and Casper was bending too, helping. He always came to my husband all the time. He was sitting on him, sitting near him. He tried to be as close as he could be. My husband didn't show as much love to animals, but Casper made it all go outside. That was a shock because I couldn't believe he still believes in humankind after what happened to him. When I got him, Casper was like a skeleton. I was surfing the internet and I found Casper. I started crying. The end of his tail was black and dry. I bought him some worms. He couldn't stand on his feet. I had to hold him in a sink so he could drink. I do not understand this cruelty at all. We put him in a warm terrarium with ultraviolet food water. After 3 days, he was a lot better. He started to show his personality. We realized Casper just loves humans. He enjoys spending time with us. On the weekends, we have breakfast together. I put his little plate close to mine. He's always so eager and waiting for me to carry him to the kitchen. He knows where we're going. Casper is all about food. He never stops his attempts to eat anything. When I start cutting all the veggies, he'll try to steal from me. He comes as close as possible and will look like we are cooking something. I think Casper has forgotten all bad happening to him. Now he was just trusting and living his happy dragon life. Casper was just an angel coming to us. We are both totally in love with him. We learned you don't need to buy a reptile from somewhere, but you can help some reptile.